Okay, this one goes out to the customer because my rule is that they always get to see it first, and then I'll let you guys know in the caption what he said about all this. So here we are trying to make a decision on this firewall, and obviously we got to order an upper cowl piece to replace all of that, and I'm looking in here and I definitely want to get the rest of this top cowl piece off to make sure that the top of the lip for the firewall panel is in decent enough shape to weld to, because I think there's corrosion up beyond the factory seam sealer. Now when it comes to the front of this firewall, I only see one way of getting around ordering a whole firewall, and your call on what you want to do and how you want to fix this, because I'm sure you're going to understand the process of my thought process here. I can fix it like we did the square body, and if we need to, and clean all of this stuff up and then make just radius patches where I need to replace for the radius patches. I may be able to clean this mess up inside and out and finish cutting the rest of the patchwork off, and just make some radius pieces where these holes are, and then clean all this stuff up and treat it before we put the upper cowl on, because the back of it's already been sandblasted and it's all clean, and I know that there's metal there. Now that's going to be a lot of work no matter what, and you know how far you're going with the car, and it's going to get handed down and stay around for a long time. So do we do this right, as painful as it's going to be? Because if I need to slip a firewall panel in here, then that means that I'm going to have to take and bust all the apron loose and pull it loose from the firewall panel, and take this down all the way to the bottom seam to be able to pull the whole firewall panel out. And it should pull out vertically up away from the apron, and it's secured here around this edge to where we could get a whole new one slid down in there, and then it would be secured up here like it is from the factory and go all the way around, and this would all be new metal outside and inside, and the upper cowl would all be new, and this stuff is all good and treated, and I'll just weld this stuff back into place, and then we'll finish out our chassis stiffeners. But as you can see, I'm going to have to go around and get all the spot welds, and I'm going to have to do the aprons and get down underneath here and loosen that stuff up all the way across to get up underneath the window. And the other part of it is that I'm already going to have to do some work on this like A-pillar, and I might, the best way to do this A-pillar problem is to at least slip the panel in underneath this one before this one is secured. So I'm going to have to do that, and I think I have a hole over here on the other side too. So your call. So this A-pillar is probably going to have to come off as well. So, to do it right, we would go through the painstaking process of doing all the spot welds and cleaning up all the seams and pulling that one out and slipping the new one in, and then we'd build back up and have all new metal there. But as you can see, there's a lot of stuff to do on the car and the project, and we've already committed to a lot. So your call, and like I said, thanks for being here, guys, and I'll let you know down in the captions what the customer said.